This is lesson 6.7 on sale price. For this video, you will need chapter 6 notes, writing utensil, and a calculator. Please pause the video at any time during the lesson so you can copy down notes for yourself so you do better on the practice. Compute the lesson objective is to compute the sale price when the markdown rate is unknown. The regular selling price of an item minus the discount or markdown of the price is actually the sale price, how much you are going to pay. So lesson 6.6 was kind of a lead on to lesson 6.7. So on your notes, I would definitely just write this one. I'm going to talk about these next, but it's the regular selling price subtract the markdown or discount. Okay, how much money you get off. Okay, how much money you save. Oops, that's not a very good A. So this part you need to make sure is in your notes. Let's look at an example to help us clarify this. Some stores advertise the amount of a markdown and the regular selling price. They might also indicate that the item's price is a stated % off the regular price. Okay, so if you know the markdown, you can calculate the sale price. You're just saying if it's $10 off, you're going to subtract that. If you know the markdown rate or %, you will then be capable of determining the % paid. When you receive 25% off the selling price of an item, you pay 75% of that item. Again, if you receive a $25 off, you're actually paying the 75% of that item. So if we're going to use the % paid rate, and many of you will be able to do this, which actually will save you time. So you just take the 100%, subtract how much is the % off. Okay, then you just multiply. And a lot of this you can do as mental math in your brain, and then you just have to multiply. Okay, so there's kind of two different ways, and I'm going to show you that next, and this is also in your notes. So Deborah Lee Medford has a 25% off coupon and is purchasing a watch that is regular price of $125. What is the watch's sale price? What is the sale price using the % off method? So first I want you to do is do 1, 2, and then I will do 1, 2 again. So fix that in your notes, and you could even draw a line. Okay, so 2 ways. So I don't like the way they did this in the book, but 2 ways to find your answer. The first rate is very similar to what we did in 6.6. You're going to multiply and then you're going to subtract. Okay, so this is a way that if you struggle or just want to know how to do it, do this. Then ignore the next part. For those that are good at mental math, you can just take 100%, subtract the 25, and then you're just going to multiply. And if you look, they're the same price. So if you're in a store and something is 30% off, you know you're going to pay 70%. You just go into your phone, put 70% times 125 or 75 or whatever, and you find the amount of the sale. Okay, so we have 2 problems we're going to work. Now, they say you can do both options. I want you to do whatever option works for you, okay? So pause the video, work these 2 problems, and then start the video back up, and I will be doing the answers. So let's look at number 1. The regular selling price of a pair of men's jeans is $37.99. The markdown rate is 20%. So I'm going to times that by 20%. I'm going to get 7.598. So then I just subtract And actually I would round this, so I get $7.60, and you should have gotten $30.39. Now, you should have gotten this answer if you did it the other way, which would be using, change my color here, taking the $37.99 times 80%, and you'll get the same answer. So, number 2, your desk is $329.99. The markdown rate is 30%. You multiply that, and you get 98997. So again, you're going to be rounding this, and with the 7, you're going to round this up and round this up and round this up. So now you're going to have $329.99. Subtract $99, and you get it's $230.99. Again, if you're good at math, 100 subtract 30 is 70. Take $329.99 times 70. And you will just get your answer, and you won't have to do 2 steps. Okay? So whichever way works best for you, you should go on and do the practice.